I mean, with TechX and our investment as a diamond sponsor in this wonderful event is a prime example of it. Today, the best way that we can support our channel is through our relationship with organisations like Data. Another example of how we're doing that is how collectively we're investing in certifications in the channel. In the last 3 months alone, over 200 individuals have been offered exams to take the latest technology to the customers. We're here to support and to help you thrive. Well, there's so much opportunity for partners at the moment. It's almost a challenge. When I spend time in the channel and I'm speaking to MSPs and resellers, the biggest challenge that they bring to me is they're struggling to keep up with the pace of innovation. They're struggling to be able to understand new technologies like Copilot or Azure or Azure Open AI and how they take those technologies in a meaningful way to their customers. So what we need to do collectively is making sure we're taking the time to continue to learn and grow together. The pace of innovation is only going to get quicker. I'm going to continue to encourage our channel partners through their relationship with Data to invest in time to be able to build the skills to be able to service their customers tomorrow. As a diamond sponsor, we are committed to our partnership with Data. We know that this is an opportunity for us to be together, hand in hand, and providing the best of services and new information to our partners to help them be successful tomorrow. Well, together we're investing not just for growth, but for our channel. We're building new technologies to help optimize the operations of when partners engage together with Data. We're investing heavily in internal resources at Data so we can better serve all resellers and their customers. And we'll also have a whole bunch of services that enables and optimizes how partners can deliver services to the customers. So it doesn't matter if you don't have all the competence today to deliver, as an example, an Azure migration to a customer. You can call your friendly rep at Data and they'll be able to help and provide that service to you. I'm going to really encourage all Microsoft partners to take a time to travel to TechX. It's collectively with Data, it's how Microsoft is invested in engaging with all of you to better help and better serve you.